Okay, so we have got the nGauge. We are going to read the stock tune and download it onto the SD card and send it over to Palm Beach. To do that, there's a list of instructions here, so we will follow it as carefully as possible. Before we can begin to write your custom tune file, you must complete a read of your factory program. It is extremely important that you start by reading your stock factory program. Before you begin, remove any custom tuning that is currently on the vehicle and set it back to the stock tune. I don't have any tunes currently, so mine is stock. Don't have to worry about that. Plug your nGauge into the ODB2 port of the vehicle with the lights, radio, and AC off and the doors closed. It is recommended to hook up a battery charger to your vehicle, but not required. Use the menu on the screen to select tuning, then proceed to select the PCM type and choose Read Vehicle. The read must be uninterrupted and may take up to 15 minutes. The key must remain on the entire time. Please do not subject your vehicle to any voltage spikes while reading or tuning. This includes rolling down windows, turning on the air or radio, or opening the door. So basically, looks like we're going to be stuck in here for 15 minutes. All right, so let's start off by, first of all, I'm going to turn the key on, and I'm going to roll down my window so I have some air in here. I already have the nGauge in the mount. I didn't run the wire behind anything yet, simply because I'm just doing the stock read for now, and I have it plugged into the ODB2 port down below. Air conditioning, climate control is off. Lights, we'll flip that over to off and not the auto, so we'll turn that off. Doors are closed. Just don't roll the windows down or up while the read is taking place. With the lights, radio, and AC off and the doors closed. I don't have a battery tender or anything like that, so we won't be doing that. Use the menu on the screen to select tuning. Hey, don't power off. Tuning. And proceed to select the PCM type and choose Read Vehicle. Okay, there is. I don't see anything related to PCM type. There's Read Vehicle. So I will go ahead and choose Read Vehicle. Ford. Gas. Select vehicle type to read. Scroll down. 2015, no, 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 no. 2017 Super Duty. Okay, here we go. 2018, 2019 Mustang 2.3 liter, comma, 5.0 liter. So, check. Turn key on, do not start the engine. Key is on, initializing communication. Do not unplug the tuner, saving vehicle calibration. Yep, So it looks like we're going to be here for a little bit. Just a reminder, after it's done, after it's been read, turn the key off, wait 10 seconds, and then start the vehicle. Looks like we have something here. Vehicle calibration saved. SD card. Okay, so it's done. We'll hit the check mark, I guess. And we'll turn the car off. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Disconnect the nGauge from the ODB2 port. And then we're going to find the file and email it to Palm Beach Dyno. Alright, so next thing we need to do is take the micro SD card out of the nGauge, which is somewhere on the side here. There it is. And they provide a little tool here for popping it out. So you just take the tool and just kind of hit it like that. Pull it out. And they also provide, this is my own, but comes with the nGauge, is a SD card, a micro SD card adapter. So this is a regular standard size SD card. This is a micro SD card, and you can just plug that right in, push that right into there. And if now you're going to need a PC, there's a couple ways to do this. You're going to need a PC that has a micro, or a PC that has a SD card reader in it, or if you don't have that, optionally, if you have an SD card reader like this, where there's a whole bunch of different slots for all different card types in it, and there's one specifically typically for an SD card. You can just push it into there, and the other end uses just a standard USB plug, which everybody should have. My PC actually has a spot for an SD card, so I'm good with that. I'll go ahead and put that in there. So once you put it in, it should automatically come up, but if it doesn't, just open up Windows File Explorer and navigate to where your SD card shows up. Mine's showing up as drive D, SDHC, you can see it here. And we'll go to stock files, and there it is, stockfile.sdk. I'm going to actually make a copy of this. So I have a backup, new folder. For now, I'm just going to put it under here. I'll move it someplace a little bit more secure later on. But I'm rather curious what this file looks like inside. So we're going to open it up and see what it looks like. I'm just going to open it up with Notepad, and it is obviously an unreadable format. So I'm sure there's some sort of software package that makes these readable. But anyway, that is it, and I'm actually going to email this stock file over to Palm Beach Dyno now. And hopefully they get back to me pretty soon.